Panel management is often slowed by scattered documentation, OEM dependency, and knowledge gaps between engineers, resulting in downtime issues, inefficient document management, safety incidents, and troubleshooting difficulties. To understand the complexity in managing a large inventory of panels, let's look at a case study. Troubleshooting and fixing problems with large-scale control panels during emergencies is highly complex and difficult due to the sheer number of components, intricate wiring, potential for cascading failures, and the critical nature of the installation requiring immediate and effective action under pressure. Factors like system integration, software issues, power failures, environmental conditions, and the need for specialized tools and highly trained personnel further complicate the process, making timely and accurate diagnostics crucial for safety and operational restoration. A digital twin of a control panel helps during emergencies by showing real-time data, quickly pointing out faults, and simulating failures to find the root cause. It guides technicians step by step, allows experts to help remotely, and shows how issues affect the whole system. This reduces the need for manual checks and specialized staff. It can also be used for training, so teams are better prepared and can restore systems faster and safer. With an authenticated login, the user can access the panel selection screen. This screen contains a 3D model alongside a 2D layout diagram that displays the actual locations of all panels. The user can select a required panel from the layout, which brings the corresponding 3D model into view. Upon selecting a panel, its 3D model opens, featuring all interactive components. The user can zoom in and select components using mouse controls, explained in the right side. The user interface consists of quick access buttons for schematics, register, I/O list, BOM and architecture drawings. It also has panel photo and part management buttons as well. Each component in the panel have list options which can be accessed by opening the component window dialog box. The menu consists of selected component name, custom fields for saving tag name, OEM and IFS reference numbers, and a text field for saving the drawing reference name for that part. The component menu consists of document organizer, PDF search, photo viewer, maintenance log, PLC module search and obsolete part management. The document organizer allows the user to organize documents based on the virtually selected component of the panel, without having to manually search it up and waste time. It contains a file browser into which the user can add or delete documents like datasheets, manuals and drawings. From electrical schematics and registers to architecture and I/O lists, everything can be stored based on general or specific needs. Next, the PDF search feature is where the user can assign any term to a component for searching in documents and save it for future use. So instead of manually entering it every time, it solves the problem in one step, further easing the process. It opens the PDF viewer with a file browser attached to add and edit documents for searching. Once the term is searched, the results show up in a list from which the user can select the required document. The search results pop up with all highlighted keywords in the selected document, with multiple matching keywords displayed in a list. The maintenance log function allows users to record maintenance activities for a specific part. It keeps a clear record of all panel and component services and supports timely replacement of faulty or aging parts. Users can specify the task description, status and upload any related documents for future references. The next function is module configuration. By configuring PLC modules, users can quickly view wiring and I/O details with a simple click. This feature enables fast searching and identification of specific I/O points or devices, saving valuable time during emergency situations. Each PLC can be configured to specify which rack and slot it belongs to. The next time the user needs to search an Excel file for the module I/O list, they can go to the module search, and the Excel file will open with the data filtered for that module. The user can also search for any specific tags within the Excel file and define how many channels to pull up. The file will open with the specified tag highlighted, showing 16 rows above and below the tag name. Obsolete part management. Its purpose is to manage parts regarding their obsolescence date. The user can configure the table to view or hide columns from the imported Excel file. The first step is to import the Excel file into the software, which is then converted into an editable database. At the bottom, the user can view tables sorted by obsolete dates. The user can switch between screens to manage the parts. The user selects the required part type. A dialog box appears, prompting the user to select the required component. Upon clicking Set Function, a function builder opens showing the selected components. The user can then specify to which part view the components should be moved and under what condition or function. If no function is set, the user can move the components directly to the specified table. Alternatively, the user can define functions, such as description contains redundant, to filter the components. The rule is applied to the relevant components, and the corresponding part view blinks in the bottom left corner. From there, the user can select the specified tables for further action. Part views hold the final categorized data, and the user is prompted to save changes. Another maintenance functionality includes part code search. The user can search for any part code or term present in any of the columns using the search field. Key benefits of digital twin includes centralized access, faster troubleshooting, knowledge retention, and efficient operations. IC Pro, adding value to your business with advanced solutions.